In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front plate bracket on this Volkswagen Jetta Wagon. This is going to be located on your front bumper. Let's get into it. Now to remove the bracket, you want to make sure you take the plate off. Then underneath, you're going to find these push pins. You want to take those out. Just use a blunt object like a pick. And just push in. And you can use a trim tool or a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath there. Just pop that out. Do the same on the other ones. Just push it in. Just get underneath there, pop that out. Pop those out. There we go. Pop that out. And you will pull that off. This one still has a screw in it. We'll just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen that up. And take that off. Take the plate bracket. On the back, you can see where this is going to line up right here, and then the two sides. So you want that lined up just like that, so that it sits down a little bit, and if you pulled it forward, it's not going to pull out. And then put these push pins in place. If these weren't here, you can drill holes. Get those lined up. Get the last one in. And now you can push down in the center. Just going to use a screwdriver just to help. Just a straight blade screwdriver. There you go. You can reinstall your plate and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.